Hey guys, today I got a new bird.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay, that was the end of the bird sounds. And I think I'm gonna go right now. So bye. You can end it, but stop.